So following my major operation last year, I was looking to get back into driving and was amazed to find Herts Ability almost literally on our doorstep in Welwyn Garden City. So I contacted them and straight away they were incredibly supportive and helpful in helping me get back onto the road and driving again, right from the very first contact. The taking me through the options and not rushing things, taking time with as many lessons as I needed, all part of the process of helping me re-establish my confidence, if you like, in being able to get back out on the road. And I'm pleased to say that after about 4 or 5 lessons, experimenting with hand controls, with using pedals, we found the right option for me. And as I say, after a few lessons, I then took the assessment, and I'm pleased to say passed that first time. And now I've been back on the road for a year or more, and loving it.
And we are so grateful for the team for being there and showing David the way and giving him his confidence back at a time when life had taken a bit of a left turn and he needed something to look forward to and a target, and being there and encouraging him, showing him the options, taking time. We can't thank you enough.
So I've got the basic hand controls, stop start lever with the indicator switch. It's identical to that which I had fitted on my car about a year ago. It was all done by A10 Mobility. They were one of the recommended suppliers, which I'd got details of when I'd done the assessment. And they were great. They came out to my house for the car, fitted it there. And for the motorhome, they actually went up to Peterborough, where we bought it from, and did the controls, identical controls, fitted them while the motorhome was being prepared for us up there. So yeah, it couldn't be easier. I found the driving experience using the controls after I'd been with Herts Ability and practiced there, absolute, fine and no issues at all. So we had been caravanning. We'd had a touring caravan, a couple of caravans for 10 or 15 years or more. So we loved the whole sort of caravanning experience. Depending on what type of holiday you like, we've decided to switch over to a motorhome. It gives you a bit more flexibility in many ways. It's much easier to keep sort of road trip type holidays where you just stop somewhere for a day or two, move on again, stop somewhere, move on again. It gives, I think, is more flexible and helps in that type of holiday. Yeah, it's got everything we need. It's like a mobile home on wheels. It's got everything: the shower, the bathroom, the kitchen, bedroom, lounge, TV, you name it. Yeah. Yep. So we only bought the motorhome in the summer, back in the summer, but we've already had many trips out in it. We've had some extended trips, a big West Country road trip, which was great. We've been down to the south coast. We've been up as far as Chatsworth House in the Peak District, and some places locally as well. So just in the UK at the moment, but maybe next year we'll even think about venturing over to the continent. And yeah.